All right, and so special thanks to our friends over at Syncwire who were nice enough to send us this Syncwire metal car charger. Nothing on the top, nothing on the bottom, or the left side, or the right side. The back gives you your specifications. So your USB-A port, 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 2 amps, 12 volts, 1.5 amps for 18 watts max on the USB-A. The USB-C, 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 3 amps, 12 volts, 3 amps, 15 volts, 3 amps, 20 volts, 2.25 amps for 45 watt max output. That is some fast charging inside of your vehicle. Total output for this is 63 watts max. That is amazing. The model is the SW-XC777 and the color is black. Let's break this seal and open it up and take a look at this metal car charger from Syncwire. So inside the box is manuals, the charger, and that's it. So we have your normal warranty policy, and then this is a little user's guide giving you a lot of like safety information and stuff like that. And then in this is the actual metal car charger, 63 amps of power, which is just crazy to think about coming from a cigarette lighter, but I love it. Nice Syncwire logo there, and you just plug this into your cigarette lighter where you would have your regular USB-A port that's up to 18 watts or your USB Type-C port that's up to 45 watts. That's why it's 63 watts, because at max power you could have a USB-C device plugged into this one pulling 45 watts, and you could have another cable plugged into this one pulling up to 18 watts for 63 watts. That's still just mind-blowing. So I love the metal like casing that it's in. None of it feels cheap or like it'll break. And there also is a nice ring light here when you're plugged in. Special thanks to our friends at Syncwire who were nice enough to send us this metal car charger. That'll do it for this unboxing. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.